Alright guys, let me show you something. So some people have stoves with no gaskets, and this is a problem. So I looked it up, I got the specs for my stove, and what I did is I just ordered the rope. This is a fiberglass, and I believe it has like graphite infused, but really just fiberglass will work. And then I got some caulk, some high temp. This is the model that I got. It's just a black, and yeah, we'll just put it on together, see what happens. All right, you'll also need some scissors, so we'll get to that. So step number one, I already cleaned out all this with a wire brush, and then you just take your silicone and kind of fill it in. Get this out of my way. Let's get to it. All right, and then what you want to do is kind of start filling this in, but start it on the back, because it'd be nice to have the front end to be kind of smooth instead of having like the two edges that join. So we'll kind of start right here in the middle, and we'll just kind of push it in there a little bit. Kind of left and right, so the caulk will kind of seep into the fibers. And that's pretty much it. So now, let me quickly zoom in here. So now we're just gonna let this sit for, I don't know, maybe 24 hours just to let it cure. And it'll be ready to go. So yeah, nothing to it. Just, you know, make sure you buy the right size thickness rope for your hole. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.